Hello and welcome to the channel. If your computer's battery's icon doesn't show on the taskbar, follow this guide and get it resolved. So go straight to the search bar and type computer management and you will see it up there. Just go double click on it. If you have a look at my taskbar, the icon is not there. So let's go resolve this. When you double click on that computer management, it will take you to this interface up here. Go straight to device manager and double click on that device manager. So go click on the drop down menu beside the batteries. Then under Microsoft Exit adapter, right click on that and go for disable device. Then go for yes. Then go back and repeat the same thing on the second component, Microsoft SE. Right click on that and go for disable device. Click yes. Click on that scan icon. After that, go back to the batteries again. Right click and enable device. Then for the second component, right click and enable device. You can see that the icon is showing. Do consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and God bless you.